Hey guys, welcome to another video for the OnePlus 6, and today we are going to look at the process of rooting OnePlus 6. Now I know there's already a video on that, but this is specific to Android P. That is a new software in the market, and that is Beta 1 Hydrogen OS, and this will be the same for Oxygen OS Beta 1 as well, which is based on Android Pie. So we will install Magisk, we will install TWRP. This will be a relatively short video. If you want me to make a video on what modules are working or what mods are working for Android Pie, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to do that. But hey, before we begin, if you've not already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, because hey, we do awesome stuff with smartphones over here. At the same time, here's a card to my second channel, that is Kratos 390. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and this is going to be a very short one, maybe less than 5 minutes, I don't know, because this is a very basic video in which we will be rooting Android P beta on Hydrogen OS. Now remember, this is going to be the same process for any ROMs that come going forward as betas or stable based on Android P, because these files are going to continue to work. At the most, you might have to replace the TWRP installer and the TWRP image file. For this, you will need a few things. You need to have an unlocked bootloader. You of course need to have a computer which has files copied onto them, so all the links are mentioned in the description. You need to have the TWRP image, that is 3.2.3. you need to have TWRP installer 3.2.3, and you need to have Magisk 16.7, which will allow us to gain root access. So first things first, as you can see, I'm of course running Hydrogen OS P beta. There you go, that's Android 9. And what I've also done here is, if we go to the file manager, as you can see here, TWRP installer and Magisk 16.7 is already on the phone's internal memory. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to turn the device off and you need to enter fast boot mode. Now one downside over here is, as this is a beta software, we don't have advanced reboot available. So we're going to have to manually boot into fast boot. So let's go ahead and press the power button and select power off. Wait for the device to completely power off. Alright, now once the phone is powered off, you need to press and hold volume up and power and keep it pressed till the time you see the fast boot mode. There you have it. So now we are in fast boot, and the next thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and connect your phone to the computer. And while you're connected to the computer, you need to have minimal ADB and fast boot installed on your PC. So the link for that is mentioned in the description. Just go ahead and install it, and after that copy the TWRP image file into the minimal ADB and fast boot folder. And once the phone is connected to the computer, let's go to the PC and follow the remaining steps. Next thing, well, now you need to have this Android or minimal ADB and fast boot, and you would notice that I have TWRP 3.2.3 image file copied over here. So then go to a blank area, press and hold the shift button on your keyboard and right click and click on open PowerShell window here. Then you need to type in fast boot space boot, and then this file, just rename it and Control C, or you can right click over here and copy the name. So fast boot space boot, and then a space bar again, right click .img. So what we are doing basically here is we are not flashing TWRP, but we are telling the phone to boot to that particular TWRP. Let's move back to the phone. Okay, now as you would notice, the phone has booted up into TWRP, but remember, TWRP and Magisk are not flashed yet. So if you have a pattern or a pin, it will ask you to enter the password. For me, the pattern is this. So once you enter that, the phone will decrypt all the data, and then you need to swipe to allow modification. Now from here, the main rooting stuff starts. So remember the files that we had already copied to the phone's internal memory. So go to install. First, let's flash TWRP installer. Swipe to confirm flash. Now allow this to flash, and then we will reboot recovery to ensure that the recovery is now flashed and the phone is booting into it, and then we will just root it. It is a very simple video, but I thought that, you know, some people think that rooting Android Pie is different than rooting Android O. That is the reason I thought let's make an updated video for this. Alright, now as you can see, TWRP installer is flashed. So we'll go to the home screen, reboot, recovery, and do not install. Now wait for the phone to boot back into TWRP. Once again, you need to go ahead and enter the pattern, and this time we will go to install and install Magisk 16.7 and swipe to confirm flash. Now wait for the flash to complete. Okay, now as you can see, we are on Android Pie. TWRP has been flashed and Magisk has been flashed as well. So let's go to reboot system and do not install and wait for the phone to boot up. Alright, as you can see here, we are back to H2OS, that is Android 9.0 Pie, and we do have Magisk over here. And we have latest version, installed version. Just allow whatever stuff it says. Verify root. Grant. There you go. So yes, Hydrogen OS with Android Pie is now rooted, and here we have it, guys. This was a very quick tutorial showing you how to install, root and TWRP on Android 9.0, that is the official beta 1. If there's anything that you'd like to share, please mention in the comment section, and if you like this video, guys, like, share and subscribe. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye.